Factories are noisy, monotonous, and male-dominated workplaces devoid of innovation or creativity.
Wait. Not anymore. Factories often get a bad rap. Gone are the days of dirty, dangerous, rudimentary, and noisy factories, where only repetitive tasks take place. Today's factories are hubs of creativity, advanced technology, and collaborative teamwork, where diversity is valued to face daily challenges. Women, alongside individuals of all ages, ethnicities, and backgrounds, are driving constant innovation. Yet, according to the World Manufacturing Foundation, women represent only 30% of the workforce in the manufacturing industry. So, be the change. Explore STEAM courses and careers. Seek for mentorship. Build a supportive network. And together, we will make manufacturing greater.